Might see him go right away.
He's off and running. Throw down by Castro. A good one. Safe at third base. Gurriel with a quick tag.
I don't know if he got the tag in because the throw got there.
Yeah, it was a really good throw. Gurriel was on the move trying to catch a tag at the same time.
See right here. Yeah, he didn't look like he got the tag on him. Baseball was there. That's a real good throw.
Yeah.
And he missed him.
That's a straight whiff. So back-to-back stolen bases for Trout. Now one stolen base away from 30.
It's like Invisible Man trying to slide in there. Both